When you consider that a nurse or a doctor may use up to 30 disposable items, particularly masks and visors, per day, you can see how quickly this volume can ramp up to becoming a serious challenge for any organisation. Based on the Surrey research part, we have a close link with Surrey University and I've carried out numerous projects with them before. During this particular problem that we're all facing, Surrey University contacted us and we've been working with them to develop a visor which we now have the ability to produce 1,800 of these visors. With your support we can do so much more. We can look at designing different products, making more visors, buying more materials and really trying to see how we can get these products to the frontline NHS staff. Thanks very much for watching this video. Please donate or share this video to create awareness of this particular campaign.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Stay safe, stay at home, save lives.